Most people think Canva is just a drag and drop tool to create basic graphics by using template. What if I tell you you can create motion graphics in Canva and by using Canva free? Isn't it amazing? Hey guys, this is Krishna from Digital Contouring. In this video, I will show you how you can create animations in Canva and use in your YouTube videos, shorts and reels. If you use this animation, your video will look instantly more professional and engaging. I'll take you step by step and we will create animation, export it and we'll use in VN, Capcut or any other software you can select. First, we'll create this apps revealing and closing animation for B-roll videos. So first open Canva and always go for video tab when you are working on the video editing. Always look for the video tab and then select the video format that you are creating. You can take square format or you can suppose you are creating for long form YouTube content, then select landscape this format. But for now we will go for the video, mobile video, and here we will first take blank page and we will add all the elements that we are going to use in this particular video. Suppose you want to use as a green screen for your video, then apply green color in the background, or if you are directly using this clip as a b-roll, then you can use the background color black, white, and you can just add background textures from the Canva library. Just let me just apply green color here. You can just search and take any green color from here. Okay, so let's take this glass green, and now you need to upload all the logos that you are looking to create this reveal effect. You can take whatever, it's not necessary to take the logos. You can take you can create basic elements like this in Canva to make b-roll or whatever topic you are working on. So for now, for this example, I will take this logos that I created from here. These are the 4 logo that I'm going to using in this particular video. And once you added logos on the page, then go to the element section and from here you just need to look for the circular frame. You can directly scroll and you will find the circular frame here. It's not necessary you are looking for the circular, also you can take square, rectangle. This video I will take the circular effect, and I just want to add little outline to this circle, because so outline will make all the elements separate. I can clearly see the 4 different application by using this outline. So first I will add few little outline here up to this, and I will change its color to the white because I will be using on my main video, and I will remove the background. Okay, so first I will add white color to the outline, and now I just need to upload the videos here. And now you can see I inserted this logo inside this frame, circular frame. Now you can see the border line is too much, so I just need to adjust the logo inside the circular frame like this. You just need to double click and you can get access to work on this inserted image. So now here you can see, now make sure you are duplicating the element because the outline that you created automatically will apply here as well. So you don't need to do it again and again. Now let's add CapCut logo and let me just adjust the size inside the frame as well for this. Okay, now here you can see the thickness is little bit thinner than the Canva logo, so I need to adjust from here. Now you can see it looks perfect. And then again I will duplicate this and I will add the Instagram logo, and we'll do the same process for this element as well. Just need to adjust the thickness of the outer line, or the image inside the frame you need to adjust. That's it, nothing else. So now last element we will upload. Now here you can see the for VN application there is a background is white. So you can create front color black background and you can use the VN text in white. You can directly use the same as it is. So now it's done. Okay. So now let me just adjust the size of this Canva logo. So this is the frame for the videos as well we use, and I need to make sure the size that I'm using it will be not too much and not too small. Audience can see the elements clearly. Okay, so first Canva logo will come, and then I want the Instagram logo. Then just select the corners, and now here you can see, let me just zoom it for you. So how I am adjusting the exact size, here you can see the dotted line. When I select the Instagram logo and place here, you can see the dotted line. Now they are in exactly same line. Now I need to select the corner and adjust from the bottom area, and again you can see the dotted line here. That means they are exactly in the same line. So now I want this Instagram logo behind the Canva logo. So what I will do, I will just select this Instagram logo and position, click on the position. You will find this option here and you just need to make it backward, so it's on behind the Canva logo. So it will give me the effect that this particular logo is coming behind the Canva logo. Then I will add VN logo. Again, I just need to use the reference lines, that is dotted line. You can see the exactly same. Then click backward direction, and now need to adjust this. Okay. Again, reference line is important here, and now adjust the four logos in similar way. Okay, now select all the elements, the logos that you create, and just make sure that it is placed center to the page, so it will automatically will apply on the center of your video that you are going to use. So now the main page is ready. So what you need to do, you can see here the timeline for the video. Okay, so let me just make it big so you guys can clearly see, and here you just need to click. So this is zoom in zoom out for the page, here you can see. But now I want to zoom the timeline, so I just need to click one time here. Then now the zoom option will available for the timeline, and I will just increase the size so you can understand clearly. This is the main page. Okay, so I will duplicate this page. First place is like all the logos are placed in one place and then coming from the one by one. That is the effect we are creating. So now select the element that you want to make behind to the canvas and hold shift and then drag to the left. So it is, you can see the reference line again, and it will be behind the Canva logo, like this. Just hold shift that way to not misplace the line of the element. First place is that. Now duplicate the first page again and place this page next to the main page. This will be the middle page, this is the last page, and this will be the first page. So on the first page, what I want, like these elements are coming from the bottom, so it will give me more movement on my b-roll. So for that I will select every element that is available on the page and these four logos, and I will click on the animate option, and now here you can see the rise option that I want for this element, and I will reduce its speed. Okay, like this. So it will give me that four elements. I can see uh, the movement of the four elements here, you can see, and the Canva will pop up clearly. So this is the effect that I want on the initial page. To reveal these four elements, I need to go here. You can see add page, add transition. When I click on here, I will get option of the transition pages. Between these two page I can apply. So here we just need to apply match and move transition. So it will be coming like one by one, and need to adjust its timing up to 1.5 to 2 seconds is good enough to make the smooth transition between these two revealing elements. Okay, let's play it again and see how it's working. Now you can see it's coming. Okay, to go back I just need to apply between the all pages, so it will automatically apply here. Let me just see how it looks. Yes, it's working. Now it stopped here. So we just need to adjust the timing of the pages. Okay, first I will adjust the first page from here like this, and I will just reduce its timing up to here. Then these are the revealing. Once the four element is revealed, I don't want to stop, and it will be closed again. So first revealed and then it's back. So I need to adjust the timing of this again, and let's see, it's too fast. We can adjust the timing of that as well. but it's good. So need to adjust the timing of this because it's stopping too much, taking too much time when it stopped like this. So I'll just click here and I can adjust the timing of the second page up to 1 second. So it will slowly it will close. Okay, so now you can see this is the element, grouped element. It is going on the second page. Then we need to adjust the length of this page, the 4 elements, so it will not come on the second page. Let's play it again. Now it looks perfect, right? That's it. We can adjust and you can trim as well from here. So now this effect is ready. Okay, so you can either use in the green screen or you can add different background to it if you want to use directly on your main video. Now I will download this. Okay, so once the video is downloaded, then you need to upload this video in any video editing platform like InShot, VN, or CapCut, or any other software that you use to edit your videos. Just need to apply chroma key and it background will be removed and you can directly use as a b-roll, or you can directly upload this video. If you are using Canva to edit your videos, you can upload inside the Canva and you can remove its background and you can use in your main video. So for this video I will be using CapCut and I'll show you how you can apply the chroma key for this particular b-roll. So now let's see how we can use in the CapCut. So you can see this is my main video and here you can see the green screen b-roll that we created here in Canva, and let me just play it for you from here. You can see color is applied on the background. So what you need to do when you use this b-roll, here just select b-roll and you can go to the cutout section and here you can see the chroma key and just need to select the color picker and apply to the background color and use the strength. Okay, and you can see the background is removed. Now here you can see. So this is how smartly you can use Canva to create b-roll videos in simple steps. So once you practice, you will be able to create such amazing b-rolls for your videos. If you like this video and if you want me to create more such tutorials, then like, share and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you in the next video.